Introducing Neli, the first virtual appliance repair service. Neli connects you to a certified technician on your schedule.
I'm Steve, your Neli technician. I see your dishwasher isn't filling.
Hi, Steve. That's right, it's not filling.
Let's take a look using your phone's camera. Okay, now remove the bottom rack and show me the inside of your dishwasher.
Our technicians will find the problem and tell you how to fix it. They make sure you have the right tools to get the job done.
I see you have a knife stuck in the float. Go ahead and remove it.
I see it.
Great job. Now start the dishwasher.
It's working. Thank you so much, Steve.
Absolutely. We're here for your next repair.
When an appliance breaks, don't let life come to a halt. Take control of your home repairs with Neli. Always affordable, always convenient, and always virtual.